Hello learners, welcome back to the course on Learn to Read Architecture and Structure Drawings with Head with ETABS. In this particular lecture, we'll try to understand a residential building of a G+3 and we'll try to understand that. We'll quickly get into that. So this is a drawing of a G+3 residential project. First, we'll try to see where the bedroom is located, how the ground floor is going to look, how the first floor is going to look. We'll try to see the second floor. We'll also try to see the terrace floor. So right now, we are just looking into the architectural plan. Once we are done with the architectural plan, we'll try to see the structure plan for the same drawing. When I say structure drawing, it's understood that we'll be trying to see how is the column orientation done, what is the size of the column. We'll also try to see how the uh, footing layout for this particular drawing looks. We'll try to see the uh, footing sizes and also the depth of each and every footing, and we'll also try to understand this with the help of a ETABS software as well, right? So we'll just concentrate on the architectural drawings as of now. So this is how it looks. Right now we are in the ground floor. You can see it here. It's written here ground floor plan, and the area of the ground floor is 1953 square feet. Okay, and this is a road which is going, here. Let me make use of this. Yeah, yeah. So there's a road going here, and yeah. So this is a MD stand for main door. So this is how you enter into the house. Anyhow, let me show you the overall picture of this house. This is how it's going to look. It is a 36 feet 6 inches uh, this distance, and this distance what you have is 65 feet. You can observe it here. It is a 65 feet, right? And yeah, so this is how it's going to look. This is how it is going to look. So we'll try to enter into this house. Yeah, we have a MD here. MD stands for main door. You are entering into this, and then you have a foyer here. So a foyer is basically a place where a guest can spend their time there. Let us say you have a guest at your home, and you don't want to take him to the main living room. He has just come. Maybe for 5 or 10 minutes. In that case, what we do is we can make them sit in this particular space. Also, let us say you entered into your home and you want to take off your, sandals, shoes. So in that case, this is a place which is meant for that particular purpose, right? So entered into a foyer. The size of the foyer is given here. It is 15 feet by 15 feet. Always remember this. The first will be always horizontal, and the second will be a vertical distance. What I'm trying to tell, if this is 15 feet, this is 15 feet. The horizontal distance is 15 feet, and you can see a 5 feet here, right? So the vertical is 5 feet. Always, whenever you look into the architectural drawing, the first measurement what you can see here, that always stand for the horizontal distance, and the second one what you can see 5 feet, that is a vertical distance. I mean, if it is a 2D, this is x and this is y axis. The 15 feet is this length, and this is my 5 feet, right? Right. So once I'm done here, so this is a foyer. From the foyer, this is the opening here. Directly you'll enter here. Once you enter here, you have a master bedroom here. What is written here? So it is written D here. D stands for door, and whatever is the size of the door, those things will be mentioned here separately. As of now, we'll not try to get into that. We'll just see how the rooms and all is going to look, and after that we'll come back to that. So we have a door here. From here you are entering into the bedroom. Let us say this is a master bedroom. Again, the size of the master bedroom is 13 feet by 9 inches, and again it is by 13 feet. That is, this horizontal distance is 13 feet by 9 inch, and this distance what you have, it is a 13 feet, right? So from here you have a attached bathroom. Let's say attached toilet here. You have a D1 door here. So the door what you have is D here, and whereas the door what you can see here is D1, right? Since there is a change in the size of the door, we are going to denote it in this way, like D door and D1 door. Let us say the size of, if the size of both the door is same, then we would have written here D also. But usually the toilet doors are little small compared to the door of your room. That is why what we have done is we have taken D1 here, right? Again, you have an attached toilet here, which is 7 feet by 3 inches into 5 feet, and you have a ventilator here. So you don't have a window in a usually you don't have a window in a toilet room. So what you call is that a ventilator where the air can come and go, right? Similarly, if you come to the bedroom, you have two windows here. The name of this window is W1, and also the name of this window is W1. The size of these things will be not mentioned here. It will be taken into a separate space where they are going to mention all the size and size of the doors, the windows, and the ventilators. We'll try to come to that later. Yeah. So this is how the master bedroom is going to look. So once you're out of the master bedroom, we have a big space here. This is a living or a dining hall, which is almost 15 feet by 36 feet by 3 inches. That is, this is 15 feet. Obviously it has to be 15 feet, because since this is 15 feet, even this distance remains the same. That is why it's 15 feet here. And this distance, what you can see, this distance what you can see here, that is 36 feet 3 inches. This distance what you can see here, it's a from here to here, it's a that distance is from here to here, that is 36 feet 3 inches. And we have given two windows here. There's a window W here, and there is one more window here, that is W5, right? So this is a big space what we have. And opposite to that, we have a lift here. Since it is a G+3 building, you have a ground floor, you have a first floor, you have a second floor, you have a third floor, and then you have a terrace. So that is why what they have done is they have given a lift here. So and the space of the lift is 5 feet by 9 inch by 5 feet. So this is 5 feet by 9 inch, and this is 5 feet, right? And then they have a staircase here. So they wanted a lift as well as they wanted a staircase. That is why what we have done is we have given both. We have given lift as well as staircase. Sometimes let us say you are constructing a G+2 building. In that case, if you don't require a lift, we are not going to give a lift. Just we are going to give a staircase. It all depends on the client what is his requirement, right? And then from there we have a kitchen here. You have a door here entering, and from here you are going to enter into the kitchen, which is again 13 feet by 9 inch into 12 feet by 7 inch. And you have a window here. KW stand for kitchen window. This is what you have here, kitchen window, right? And yeah, from here you have a door which goes to the utility area. You can see here, right? It's written D1 here, which goes to the utility area. Utility is a place where you can wash your uh, clothes. Let us say you want to keep your washing machines and all, then utility is a place where we are going to make use of it. So you have a utility here. The entire space is for utility, which is 29 feet by 6 inches. This is 29 feet by 6 inches, and this is 5 feet by 3 inch. Then you have a door from there, from the outer side. You have a door here where you have a water closet, right? From here, from the utility itself, you can enter into this. It's a water closet here. And from here you can enter into a bathroom. You have a bathroom here. So this is how it is given. And then you have a puja room here, which is again 9 feet by 6 feet by 10 inch. And PD stand for puja room door. That is called as PD. It's a puja room door written here, right? And the one what you can see here, anyway, we'll come back to that later. And these all are the passage area what you have, that is 2 feet by 6 inch. This is the passage area. This entire is a passage area what you have. This is all passage area. Then you have a portico here, a big open space here. You can park your vehicle here, or a big space here where you can keep your garden and all. So this is what you have here, portico. And from here you have another passage which is 4 feet. So throughout the house you can go. I mean, you can you know take a walk throughout the house. You don't have any restriction. All the four sides are open. That is how it is planned, right? Yeah. So one what you can see here, the red in color, the red color what you can see here, the red color what you can see here, the red color what you can see, they all are the column, right? So usually in the architectural plan, we are going to give them the drawing, we are going to give them the location of a column, so that they get an idea how the where the columns are actually going to come. But whereas in the architectural drawing, you're not going to give the size of the column, you're not going to give the reinforcement drawings and all. So those things are going to come under the structural drawings, right? So everywhere wherever you can see the red color, this is red color, this is red color, this is red color, red color. So everywhere your column is going to come. And the one what you can see here, they are circular column, right? Since it is a G+3 building, I need a aesthetic view to my building. In that case, usually what I do is I come up with a circular column. So the circular column is going to give a rich look to your house. That is why what we have done, we have given two circular columns here, two circular columns here, and two circular columns here. You have a road passing in this way, you have a road here, right? And along with that, coming to the schedule of the doors, windows, and the ventilator, MD stands for main door. the MD, what you can see here, this MD stands for the main door, and the this is what the main door is all about. This is how your main door is going to look. And what is the size of the main door? That thing will be mentioned here. Your main door is 7 feet by 7 feet. So you have a 7 feet, a width and a 7 feet height of a door. So usually you have to remember, always the main door will be bigger in the sizes compared to the other doors in the house. And if you follow Vastu, so Vastu is all about balancing the positive and the negative energies in your home or wherever you're going to do the construction, right? So that is a different topic in itself. We'll not try to get into that, but try to understand always the main door of the house will be bigger in the size compared to the different doors, right? That may be a bathroom door, or that may be a door to your bedroom, kitchen, or whatever. The main door should be always bigger in size, right? Then PD stand for puja room door, which is again 3 feet by 6 inch by 7 feet. Again, it's going to it's 7 feet in height, and 3 feet by 6 feet is the what you call the width of a puja room door. Then we have D here. So D is a door which is a entry door to all the kitchen, to the bedroom. What you can see here, this is D here, and then you can see a D here, right? So all these are the door which is an entry door to your room. So the size of that door is, again, it is 3 feet by yeah, it's 3 feet by 7 feet. And D1 is a door which goes to the bathroom. So that is usually 2 feet by 6 feet into 7 feet. I mean 2 feet by 6 inches into 7 feet. That is the size of your door. Along with that, we have seen the windows, right? You have a W5 here, and then you have a W window here. So that is a name given. Since they are different in sizes, we are going to denote that in that way. Let us say you have 2 3 dimensions of a door. I mean 2 3 dimension of a window. In that case, we are going to name it as W1, W2, and W3. And if all the windows are of same size, then you can denote it with W, or let us say W1. But if there are different sizes of the window, then we are going to denote it with W1, W2, and W3. So the same is happening here. The same case is happening here. We have W1 and W1 here, but whereas this window is W4, and let us say this window is W, then you have a KW here, that is a kitchen window here. So that is how it is denoted here. The way it is denoted here, the size is mentioned here. Again, W is a first window what you have, which is 10 feet by 5 feet by 6 inch. The height of the window is 5 feet by 6 inch, and the width of the window is 10 feet. Similarly, W1 we have 5 feet by 4 feet by 6 inch, and W2 window is 4 feet by 4 feet by 6 inch, and W3 window is 3 feet by 4 feet by 6 inch. So this, and the kitchen window, KW stand for kitchen window, which is 5 feet by 3 feet. So these are the different dimensions of the windows and the doors mentioned here. And then coming to the ventilator, usually ventilators are provided in the bathroom. So that is why you can see here this attached toilet here, right? And to that they have given V stand for ventilator. So the size of that ventilator is 2 feet by 6 inch. 2 feet by 6 inch is this, and this is 2 feet in height. So this is how we have to understand the architectural plan. Anyhow, we are still in the ground floor itself. We're in the ground floor plan. So I hope this is understood up to here. So this is how your ground floor is going to look. And yeah, then now we'll try to get into the first floor. Now concentrate here. It was a ground floor. It was a ground floor plan, which was 1953 square feet. Now we'll try to get into the first floor plan. Again, the area remains the same, because the same thing whatever we have done in the ground floor, the same thing we are going to replicate it to the first floor. So that is why even the area what you can see here, it is the same area what you're going to get in the first floor. Again, it's the same thing. You have a road going in the uh, in a ground floor. You are in the first floor now, and then we'll try to see this how it's going to look. Yeah, so you are going to come in this way. You have two options to come to the first floor. Either you can take the help of a lift and come to the first floor, or you have a staircase here which is written up. What is the meaning of up? That means you're going to take the staircase from here. This is how you are going to take the staircase, and from here you are going to come to the first floor. This is what you mean by up. So once you're done with that, yeah, yeah. So you're coming here, it's up from, yeah, you're coming here, in this way you come to the up, you're taken a staircase from here, and this is how you come. So this is how you come, this is how you come. Now again it's the same thing what you have here. You have a bedroom here. Once you enter here, you have a bedroom here, and there's an attached toilet here, which is again 13 feet by 9 inch by 6 feet. You have a door here, and then you have another bedroom here. You have another bedroom here where you have a attached toilet. So this toilet is common for this bedroom as well as for this bedroom. You can see it here, right? You have a bedroom here, and you have a D1 door here which goes to the attached toilet. Similarly, you have another bedroom here, and for the same bedroom you have a attached toilet here. So usually when you have a restriction of the space, or when you say, or when, let us say, when you don't have all the bedrooms being occupied, in that case what we can do is we can have a single, attached toilet to both the bedrooms. Again, it depends on the client what is his requirement. Let us say you want to have a big bedroom, but you are okay with a attached bathroom, I mean a common bathroom for both the bedroom, then it is fine. This is how we are going to plan. You have a bedroom here, you have another bedroom here, but the attached toilet remains the same for both the bedroom, right? And then from the bedroom I'm coming out, and then this is a corridor what you have, and it's a lift, the same thing, whatever lift you can see in the ground floor. Yeah, let me try to, yeah, this is a lift what I have here. The same lift will come here because the lift is not going to change. So whatever lift you have in the ground floor, whatever lift you have in the ground floor, that will go to all the three floors. Let us say you're constructing a G+3 in the first floor, second, third, and the staircase, both things remain same. But the bedroom and the kitchen, that may change. The bedroom what you have in the ground floor, in the first floor, in that particular bedroom can be used for the some other purpose. But whereas if it is a staircase and a lift portion, then the same has to go to all the floor. We're not going to change it, right? The location cannot be changed. Yeah. So again, the bedroom in the ground floor, you had a bedroom here. The same bedroom is also there in the first floor. And then whatever we had a living or a dining here, we had a living and a dining. Whereas if you're coming to the first floor, you have a cutout here. What do you mean by cutout? You don't put a slab here. You don't have a slab here. This is a cutout. That means if you're standing in the first floor, let us say, concentrate here. You're standing in the first floor, you're standing in the first floor, and if you see it from there, you're going to see what is happening in the ground floor. That is why it is written here cutout. So cutout means that you don't have any slab here, right? You're getting my point, right? um, I'm standing here in the first floor, and this is the portion what you can see. This is the portion what you can see, what is written as cutout. So if you stand here, you can see what is happening in the ground floor, whereas in the other room you cannot see that because everywhere there is a slab. But only in this portion what they are given a cutout here, so that even by giving cutout, what happens, you're going to get a bigger space, and even the sunlight is going to come into your house. So usually this is a idea behind why we give cutouts. So if there is a client requirement, we give a cutout, right? Yeah. And going back to that, you have a bedroom here, you have a bedroom here. One thing we need to understand, so there was a puja room in the ground floor. We had a puja room in the ground floor. But by the time we reached the first floor, this puja room in the ground floor is converted into another bedroom. That is fine. You don't have a problem with that, because usually in a home we have a single puja room. We don't keep puja room for every floor, right? So that is what this puja room has been converted into a bedroom. And the space which was used for the utility in the ground floor, that has been converted into an attached toilet and a bedroom. You can see it here. And I'll try to draw line here. Yeah, try to concentrate on this particular area. Yeah, this is the area what we're trying to concentrate now. Yeah, so we had a utility here, and then we had a water closet, we had a bath here, and we had a puja room here, and we had a kitchen in this portion, right? So this was the area which was utilized for kitchen, which was utilized for bath, which was utilized for the water closet. You had a utility and you had a puja room. But by the time you reach to the first floor, this entire area what we had, we have converted that area into a bedroom and another bedroom. And this both the bedroom has one attached toilet. This is what we have done. Since you don't require another kitchen in the first floor, since it's the same family which is staying in that house, you don't require two kitchen in the, I mean, you don't require two kitchen in a single home. In the first floor you have a kitchen, you don't require a kitchen, I mean, you have a kitchen in the ground floor, you don't require a kitchen in the first floor. And also the puja rooms, this we require only one puja room, right? So that is what we have done. We have converted this particular space into a bedroom. So this is usually the logic what we apply, right? Then yeah, let me discard it. Yeah, yeah, going back to that, the rest all remains the same. The bedroom in the ground floor is the bedroom what you have in the first floor, and this foyer area is like a the foyer area what you had in the ground floor. Now it is like a small passage what you can see. You can have a passage in this area, and you have a cutout here. So you have a cutout here. You had a living and a dining table, but that area has been made into a cutout. So you have a cutout in that particular area. The rest all remains the same, and there's no more changes in that. So this is how your first floor is going to look. And then again, it's a schedule of the doors and windows and the ventilators. It's again the same thing. If there is some changes, that will be mentioned here. Again, yeah, everything is same. W4, W5, kitchen window, staircase window, everything is okay. I want to mention one more point here. SW stand for staircase window. Since you have a staircase here, so you have given a window there. So that is why it is written as SW. That is called as staircase window. Um, yeah, yeah. So once we are done with the once we are done in the first floor plan, now it's time for us to go to the second floor, right? So now we are getting into the second floor. I hope you are going to you are getting an idea. You have to just think all these things, and only then you are able to understand it, right? Just have to imagine how it's going to look. Okay, I have a bedroom here, I have a kitchen here, good. Then this is my passage area, and this I have a cutout here, right? Then I have a puja room here. This is a this is the bathroom what we have. Okay, so the moment you reach the first floor, you have a bathroom, you have a bedroom here, you have a bedroom here, but this particular water closet, I mean this particular attached bathroom is common for this bathroom as well as for this bathroom, right? So this kind of imagination has to come. Only then we can understand all these drawings, and also we can try to plan all these drawings, right? Yeah, yeah. So again, now we are in the second floor plan. Again, the area remains the same. So we'll try to see how the second floor is going to look. So in the second floor, what they have done? In the second floor, what they have done is, now they are trying to remove this bedroom here. They don't have a bedroom. Now try to understand this. We had an attached toilet, we had a bedroom, and we had a bedroom in the first floor. By the moment I came to the second floor, the attached toilet is same here. It was 13 feet 9 inch here, and again you have a 13 feet 9 inch here. There's no change. Yeah, it's 13 feet, right? Yeah. So 13 feet 9 inch by 6 feet, and you have a 13 feet 9 inch by 6 feet here. Again, we had a bedroom here which was 13 feet by 17 feet. So the same bedroom is here, 13 feet by 17 feet. That is, I mean, 13 feet by 9 inch by 17 feet by 7 inch. And this bedroom, they don't want this bedroom in the second floor. So they are not construct a bedroom here. But whatever area what we had from here, right? So whatever this much area what we had, this much area was utilized for bedroom, right? This much area was utilized for the bedroom, and you had a cutout here. So what they have done now, that entire area they made it as an open hall. They don't want to put any bedroom here. They have enough bedroom now, because you have one bedroom in the uh, ground floor. Then we had three bedrooms in the first floor. Altogether there are four bedrooms as of now. So I don't want another bedroom in my house. So this area what I had, I utilized this as, it has an open hall. Again, the staircase remains the same. I'm going to come up here, and this is how you are going to go down. So this is how you are entering into the second floor. Again, the lift, attached toilet, this area remains the same. Lift and the attached toilet, this area remains the same. Staircase area remains the same. You cannot change the staircase from floor to floor, and you cannot change the lift position from floor to floor. Those things are going to be same throughout the building. Now come to the bedroom portion. Here the bedroom what we had in the ground floor, the same was taken to the first floor, and the same bedroom is taken to the second floor as well now. So this bedroom is common everywhere, and this particular area what they have done, they utilize this particular area into open hall. Now let us say it's a very big family what they have, and they want to throw some parties, let us say. In that case, they can make use of this particular open hall so that they can enjoy. So this is what the plan of a client is. So based on his plan, we have given this particular plan. So this is an open hall whatever. Again, it is a 15 feet by 46 feet by 9 feet. So this entire length what you can have, it's a 46 feet by 9 inches what we have. So this is how it's going to look. So right now we were in the second floor plan. So once the second floor is done, now it's time to go to the third floor now. Now we'll try to go to the third floor. Since I mentioned in the beginning of the class, it's a G+3 building. We have a ground floor, we have a first floor, we have a second floor, we have a third floor, and over the third floor we have a small area. I mean a small place where you can make use for a storeroom and to keep the water tank. But usually we take it as G+3 building only. Ground, first, second, third, first, second, and third, right? Yeah. So what they have done here now in the third floor, they don't require anything here. So this entire area is another open hall now. This is again open hall. This it remains the same. Only the thing is this portion is copied now. That's it, right? So anyhow, let me do it. Yeah, whatever portion you have here from the staircase, this remains the same. This much area remains the same. This much area remains the same. That is staircase here, you have a staircase here, you have attached toilet, you have a lift here, you have a lift here, you have a bedroom here, and you have a bedroom here. So and the remaining portion what you can see, the remaining portion what you can see, they have been converted into open hall. So here they had an open hall only up to this portion, but by the time they reached the third floor, they removed this bedroom and attached toilet. They don't require it anymore in the third floor because there are already 5 bedrooms in the house as of now, right? We had 1 bedroom in the ground floor, we had 3 bedrooms in the first floor, then we had we had 2 more bedrooms in the second floor, and here we have 1 more bedroom, right? We'll try to count it. We'll try to count it. So far, how many bedrooms have been done? Yeah. So there's only 1 bedroom here in the ground floor. Then we have one more here. This is second bedroom. This is third bedroom. This is fourth bedroom. And then we have fifth bedroom here. Okay, this is sixth bedroom here. And then we have another bedroom here. Altogether, there are 7 bedrooms as of now, right? There are 7 bedrooms here, and this area what they utilize is for a big open hall. Let us say they want to, uh, it's a very big hall what they have here. Um, if they want to throw some big parties and all, that is the idea of a client. So based on that, what we have done is this: how we have planned him. We have a, and all these are the column. The column locations are not going to change. One thing we need to understand, the column locations are not going to change. If you have a column starting from your foundation, the same column is going to go throughout the building. Let us say you have a G+3 building, so the same column is going to go. We are not going to change, we are not going to change the size of the column. The reinforcement may change, that we'll try to see later, but the size of the column and the location of the column is going to be same throughout the building. So that is why you can see all the columns here, right? You have a column, yeah, you have a column here, 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 here and here, you have a one column here, there's a column here, there's a column here, there's a column here. So this is what you can see: the column, the staircases, and the this thing, a lift. These things are not going to change from floor to floor, whereas the room locations, the room, those things you can change based on the requirement of the client. Yeah. So again, this is the open hall what they have. Yeah, once, and there, and then you have a 1 bedroom here, then you have a 1 bedroom here, that is fine. And now coming to the last, that is a terrace floor plan. This is a terrace floor what you have. So again, in the terrace floor what they have done is they have come here. This is the this is what you have in the terrace. It's a open terrace. They mention it as open terrace. And this column is not going. This column what you can see, and now I'll come back to that. Now try to see here. So yeah, so in the terrace only this much portion is going to come, right? This much portion what you have here, what portion you have here, only those portions are going to come. We had a bedroom in the third floor. This bedroom is converted into a storeroom in the top floor. And then we have a lift here. So the by the time you reach to the top floor, this lift remains the lift, but whereas we call this as machine room, or you can call it as LMR. I'll make use of this. Yeah, I'll write it. Yeah, you can call it as LMR. LMR stand for lift machine room. So that is why it is written here machine room, or sometimes you can write it as LMR, which stands for lift machine room, because the entire setup of the lift has to go to the top, right? And only then with the help of a pulley the lift is going to come down. So that particular area what you use, we call it as LMR, or we call it as machine room. That is why it's written here machine room. I hope it's understood. Yeah. Yeah. So other than that, you have a staircase here. The same staircase follows here. You have an attached toilet. You have a machine room. You have a storeroom. So the bedroom in the third floor is converted into a storeroom here, and you have an attached toilet. Again, it's an attached toilet here, and you have a lift and a machine room here. So that's it. Other than that, you don't have anything in the terrace floor, right? Because you don't require anything else other than that. So that is why what they have done is they have just given this plan. Yeah, we'll try to see this again. Hmm. So whatever columns you can see it here, right? So the column what you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. These columns are going to stop only in the third floor because you don't see the column coming up in the terrace floor. So in the terrace floor, only these columns what you can see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth, and this is sixth. There are six columns. So that is why you can see only six columns coming to the terrace floor. So you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, 4, 5, and 6. Since because I require only this much portion to be taken to the terrace floor, that is why what I have done, I've taken these six columns to the top, whereas all these columns what you can see in the outer columns and this middle column, they are not going to come, right? You can see it here, you don't have those columns here. So this is how we are going to plan. Other than that, yeah, the rest all remains the same. The size and all have been already explained you. The windows is very easy to understand. W1, wherever it is W1 mentioned here, it stands for W1 window. And if you want to see the size of that, you can refer to the windows, and W1 is written here. The size of the W1 window is 5 feet by 4 feet by 6 inches. So this is the architectural plan. I hope you have got an idea. Anyhow, we'll try to understand this. So we have a plan of a G+3 building. We have a ground floor, we have a first floor, we have a second, we have a third, and we have a terrace floor plan. Yeah, that's great. So in the ground floor, we have one bedroom here. So out to the bedroom, to the master bedroom, we have an attached toilet. Then we have a staircase, and adjacent to the staircase, we have a lift, right? And once we enter into the main door, we have a small foyer, right? Anyhow, I'll show it. Try to understand these things. Yeah. So to that we have a foyer. From the foyer, I'm taking an entry to the home. I have a big dining hall and a living hall there. From there, exactly to the straight. I mean, opposite to that, we have a puja room here. You can concentrate here. I have a puja room here, and adjacent to that, I have a bath here. I have a bath here, and from here I have a door which goes to the utility area. So utility area is a place where you can keep your washing machines. You can do the washing of the clothes, and whatever other things you want to do, you can do it in the utility area. So this is my utility area, and from the utility area I have an entry to the water closet. This is what I have done. Then I have a big kitchen here. This is a kitchen what I have, right? So this is the plan of a ground floor. So once the ground floor is done, I'm going to take a staircase. I'm going to go in this way, and from there I'm going to go to the next. This is my first flight, and this is my second flight. I'm into the first floor. So in the first floor, what all the changes what we saw? The bedroom what has come in the ground floor, the same bedroom is copied to the first floor as well. The attached toilet remains the same, the lift remains the same, the staircase remains the same. And this area what we had, the kitchen and all, the kitchen has been changed into a bedroom here. That is why we can see a bedroom here. And the puja room what we had in the ground floor, right? The puja room and this much area what we had, that has been converted into a bedroom. And to both the bedroom we have a attached toilet. That is why it is written as attached toilet. And you can see the two doors here. This is D1 and this is D1. Both these doors are getting into that particular toilet. And this is the area what I have, and there is a cutout here. So I can stand in the first floor and see what is happening in the ground floor. That is a cutout. You don't have a slab there, right? So this is how the first floor plan looks. And then coming to the second floor, the entire second floor bedroom, what we have done is we have removed this bedroom. The bedroom what we had here, that has been removed, and we have an open hall here. The attached toilet and the bedroom remains the same. The staircase, attached toilet, and lift remains the same. And we had a bedroom here. The same bedroom is here. Now coming to the third floor plan, In the third floor, we have only one bedroom here. We have attached the lift and the staircase here. Again, you're going to take the staircase here. This is my first flight, and this is my second flight. The moment I reach here, I'm in the third floor now. So the moment I see the third floor, I have only a bedroom here. I have an attached toilet, I have a lift, and I have a staircase. And that entire area, what I have, that has been change into a open hall. You can see it's open hall here, right? And then the last what you can see is a terrace floor plan. Since it is a terrace, I don't want to use the entire space. What I require is only a storeroom here, a machine room here, machine room, and LMR remains the same. LMR stands for lift machine room, or sometimes we can call it as a machine room. You have attached toilet here. Again, then you have a staircase here. So this is the open terrace what we have. So this was the entire architectural plan. Now we know how the architecture plan looks. Now we'll try to understand the structural plans, how the structural plans are prepared, how we are going to do the design of that, and we'll try to understand them. Yeah, I hope it's understood to you. You guys have enjoyed it, and we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.